We had a pediatric patient come in with his father. He suffered a injury, dog bite, and he was in and out of consciousness. And once we met the father here in front of our triage, we immediately took him inside and did what we could in order to stop the bleeding and stabilize him.
I saw you guys when I turned on the right to went to the emergency room, but I thought you guys were just, I really had no idea why you guys were here. I just, thank God you're here. So, you just came through the door and you just went all the way to the end of this room that you guys got right over here. And you guys were so fast and so organized.
You immediately put yourself in that father's position. Having a 4-year-old son that is, you don't know what his outcome's going to be. We don't know if there's been a TBI. Only thing we know is that there's a severe laceration to the head and to the arm. Kid in and out of consciousness, father's distraught, and he was unable to contact his wife. So his wife had no knowledge that this incident had even occurred.
I received a call from you guys trying to contact me so I could just approach the hospital because my husband was here, and they informed me what happened.
We used our satellite phone. We called approximately 18 times until we made contact. He called every minute, and then we would have actually called 180 times or 1,800 times, however many times it took in order for us to be able to make communications with her and give her a status update.
They didn't only work with our son, they worked with me as well. As a mom, I get very emotional. I didn't have all the facts of what happened really, and they dealt with my other son. He had supervision. My husband was crying, and everybody worked with the family, and he was transferred to the other hospital at Rio Piedras, el Centro Médico, and then the intensive care. It was great.
That kid has not left my mind since I ordered up that helicopter, packaged him up for transport, and made sure that he was safe.
You don't see empathy. Mr. Markel has that. And so do the doctors here. And that is what makes this environment great.
Is this the last time I'm going to see you? Get out of here with this hand.
It's the most rewarding feeling to see the smile, the appreciation, the hug, the kiss on the cheek. You can't match that. You just cannot match that from the parent who you look at their child that's so acutely injured, and the person on their birthday who doesn't know if they're going to be shipped off to an area hospital, and you make that smile, you make that moment, you make an indelible mark on people that you don't even know, that you can walk out the door and say, wow, I've done something amazing for today, making somebody's life a little better.